Hello guys, so this was my previous design. I made some changes in colors here, so I am going to make another version of this design. I am going to use this same dog tag. I have showed you how to make this kind of tags. Now I am going to use it in my second design, and this ribbon here I gave you this one, these total elements. So I am going to make something organic here, like this one I made with a premium vector, but now I am going to use a organic design here, that everything will be my own creation. So you can see I am taking a ellipse tool here, and now I just need to copy and paste in front. That's how I have two ellipses here, but I am going to make it a bit bigger in size, and this is the area my text will be, but I need to keep a copy of this ellipse here. So I am going to make it, I am going to copy this, and now I am going to add my text here on this one here. I am going to make it in same stencil land font. I have told you many times that you need to understand fonts for designs. This is army design, so I must use a army font, and that is what I am doing here. I am going to make it something like this. Now on this one here, maybe this one a bit bigger, and as that ellipse I copied, I need to paste it in front. Ctrl F, that is now in front. I am going to use my add anchor point tools here to make some anchor points like this one here. Okay, that is enough for now. I am deleting these parts. Now I have planned to use this ribbon here for that dog tag text. So first of all I need to make a line here, something like this. Yeah, that's good. Now I am going to use my type on path tool again, and this time I am going to use dog tag my text. Okay, if I just break it, I am going to make a offset path for that one. Cut, selecting this ribbon here, paste in front. So this is my dog tag text. Will be making them a group. Now I need to keep everything in same proportions, something like this. Maybe this one a bit smaller, or in different positions, something like this. Okay, now as you can see, these areas are not now necessary, so I am going to make another anchor point here and another here. Now if I take my direct selection tool A, if I click here and delete it, that is now deleted. So now I am planning to make a custom brush here, and for that one of course I will use this flag here. Okay, so this is now my flag. I am going to make it a bit longer, not that much, maybe this will work for me. Okay, so this is now my flag here. I am going to go to my brush panel, new, making a art brush, this one here, and then reflect it, that one, another art brush here. So now I am going to use my these lines to replace them with these flags, like this part here. If I click here, you can see that is now replaced with my flag. And for this one here, okay, maybe I am making it wrong. This one should be this, like this flag should be this direction, and this one of course in this direction. Yeah, that is good. Now if I just make it a bit lower, something like this area, this is now okay. Now if I select this one here, copy and paste in front, and make another copy here. Now I am going to use this same add anchor point tool here to cut out some areas, maybe this. Okay, I am using my direct selection tool to erase these parts here. As you can see, okay, maybe I can use this one a bit upper. Yeah, that area is good. Now I can, as this is coming inside my doc text here, I am making another point and erasing these parts here. So maybe this one here I am going to make it a bit smaller, and this one a bit bigger than it is now, something like this, making a bit rounded. Okay, so this part is okay. Here I got some problems. I can just make another point here, erase these parts. That is okay. Maybe this one a bit bigger, not that much. This is okay. I am going to use my dashed line here. Yeah, that is good. Now I am going to use my this doc tag here. This is so simple. Maybe this one a bit smaller in stroke size. Now I need to, okay, I need something to hang this tags from. So maybe I will use here that guns, or maybe not. Let's not use any guns here for this one here. I'm just going to, okay, maybe I can just simply bring this a bit down so that I can hang my tag from that area, something like this. Okay, this one is looking a bit bigger, so I'm going to make that a bit smaller here. Okay, so this is now my almost final design. I need to fix some areas from there, but before that I need to select them all, expand them. So these areas, this text and everything here is now in fill colors, just like this. So for this one here, I am going to go to is, I am going its transparency panel here, something like this. I want this 10 parts to go above this dash line, and this part here, this line will go above this chains. So I am going to make a ellipse here, something like this, but this needs to be in black so that it doesn't show up that chain area. Making another copy here. Okay, for this point here, it is okay for me now, but I don't want to show those areas. Yeah, that is good. Now I am going to make this same kind of transparency for this doc tag here. I am just going to use my pen tool here, as I want these parts to be something like this, not that much higher. Yeah, that is okay, but I got some problems here. So maybe something like this. so that it looks like this part is going from that ones. Okay, I need to make some adjustment here, like these areas I just cannot keep them like that. Yeah, that is how it will look like it is going over this dash line. And here of course I can see another problem, that it should be in these areas, something like this. Okay, these are just some small changes, but I don't like to leave any fault in my design, so that's how I made that one. Now I am going to add some colors for my design, like as you can see here, these colors I want them to be something like a bit more darker, not that much, or maybe some other colors, like this one is good. Now I can take this one, pick color, this one for this color, here I can use this red, and for this dog tag I am going to use red, for this ribbon I am going to use this color. Now everything of my design is in two color except this blues, so I am just going to select them, both are selected, pick some colors. Okay, so that's how okay as you can see, those colors changes my previous designs too, but that's not a problem, I kept a copy of this one. So I am going to, okay, this area is not looking very good, I need to fix these small details here. Yeah, that is good. Now I am going to show my client these two versions, as their one of is totally mine, and then another one is I made with a premium vector. Okay, these reds are not looking too much professional for these colors, so maybe I will change that one. Now I need to change this red to something kind of lighter colors. Okay guys, I will do some more variation of these colors here before I submit this to my client. So this was the design, and this is how I work, or how I made designs for my clients. That is all, and here you maybe learn this one to make a custom brush and use that in your designs. Okay guys, so that's all for this one. See you in the next video. Have a great time.